Hello guys, what is up? Slash888 here. Today we're going to be doing some fireworks.
Stand back, Freddie. Hey, come here.
Ooh, would you look at that? Little fireworks.
Probably a lot better at night. Yeah.
During the day, it's probably a lot better. Ooh. Fancy.
Wrap it out.
Let's just do one more. I want to do a blue one.
Oh, look longer than I thought.
Holy crap!
Stop and shop.
Damn! Clouds of smoke.
One more.
Damn!
I'm impressed with Stop and Shop.
Yeah, stop.
$5.99?
You call this quality?
This is quality.
That's insane quality. So right now we got Uncle Mo unboxing the new, whatchamacallit, firework. You guys didn't get to see the last one before. You can see here, the shell is all burned.
Yeah, stand a little bit further back. Yeah, this time a little back, because now we know that it pops. Yeah, at nighttime, that would have been a lot better. Oh, this is the purple.
Those smoke. Woo! Here comes the booms. Where's the booms? Ooh. Now that's Stop and Shop quality.
That's what we call stuff.
Oh, damn. They get hot.
You didn't have one?
Yeah, leave them right there, don't touch them.
Let's do the last one, okay?
Alright, we're doing the last one, ladies and gentlemen.
You want to save one? You want to save one for tonight?
The fireworks.
Do you want to save that one for tonight too?
Which one's which?
I want to
Are they all the same colors?
say this one's
This is
red,
purple.
so I'm gonna. Oh, red looks the best at night.
Wait, are fireworks legal in New Jersey? Like to buy?
I don't think Uncle Georgie said they're legal.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Whose are these?
Seb's?
No. Nope.
No. Last one.
Oh, look at that.
Green one.
It's a green. So I'm going to move over because smoke. Lots of smoke. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please clap your hands for the fireworks. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that's insane fireworks. Smoke screen. We're doing this in Connecticut, by the way. So. Ooh.
We gotta let them cool down.
Look at that.
I'll throw it out in the morning when it gets.
Good old Smokey. I'm gonna zoom back. It's just immersed in a smoke cloud. See that? Thank you for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace.